a time, in a kingdom far, far away, nestled amidst rolling hills and crystal-clear streams, there lived a little princess named Barbie. She was unlike any other princess in the realm, for she possessed a special gift bestowed upon her by the mystical fairies of the enchanted forest. Barbie was the daughter of King Alexander and Queen Isabella, rulers of the prosperous kingdom of Evergreen. From the moment she was born, it was evident that she was destined for greatness. Her laughter was like the tinkling of silver bells, her smile as radiant as the morning sun, and her heart overflowed with kindness and compassion. But what truly set Barbie apart was her magical ability to summon light at will. With a mere flick of her delicate wrist, she could illuminate the darkest corners of the kingdom, bringing warmth and joy to all who beheld her enchanting glow. As Barbie grew older, her powers flourished, much to the delight of her parents and the people of Evergreen. Her presence alone was enough to banish shadows and chase away fears, and the kingdom flourished under her benevolent reign. Yet, despite her extraordinary gifts, Barbie remained humble and kind-hearted, never seeking praise or adulation. Instead, she spent her days exploring the lush gardens of the royal palace, frolicking with the woodland creatures, and spreading happiness wherever she went. One day, while strolling through the enchanted forest, Barbie stumbled upon a hidden glade bathed in shimmering light. Intrigued, she ventured deeper into the woods, her heart aflutter with anticipation. As she reached the center of the glade, Barbie gasped in awe at the sight before her. There, beneath the canopy of a majestic oak tree, stood a circle of fairies, their wings aglow with a dazzling array of colors. "Welcome, Princess Barbie," chimed the fairies in unison, their voices like the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. "We have been expecting you." Barbie's eyes widened in wonder as the fairies revealed the purpose of their summoning. They explained that she was the chosen guardian of the sacred crystal, a powerful artifact imbued with the very essence of light and magic. "It is your destiny to protect the sacred crystal from those who would seek to wield its power for nefarious purposes," declared the eldest fairy, her voice resonating with wisdom and authority. With a solemn nod, Barbie accepted her newfound responsibility, vowing to safeguard the sacred crystal with all her heart and soul. And so, under the watchful guidance of the fairies, she embarked on a quest to retrieve the artifact and fulfill her destiny. The journey was fraught with peril, as Barbie faced treacherous obstacles and cunning adversaries at every turn. Yet, with courage and determination, she pressed on, guided by the light of the sacred crystal and the unwavering support of her loyal friends. Along the way, Barbie encountered a host of magical creatures, from mischievous pixies to noble unicorns, each offering their aid in her quest. Together, they braved dark forests, crossed turbulent rivers, and scaled towering mountains, drawing ever closer to their elusive goal. At long last, after many trials and tribulations, Barbie and her companions reached the fabled crystal caverns, where the sacred crystal lay hidden deep within the earth. With bated breath, they ventured into the heart of the caverns, their spirits ablaze with anticipation. As they reached the chamber containing the sacred crystal, Barbie's heart swelled with awe at the sight before her. The artifact shimmered and sparkled with an otherworldly brilliance, casting rays of light in every direction. But their triumph was short-lived, for lurking in the shadows stood the malevolent sorceress Morgana, her eyes gleaming with malice as she reached out to claim the sacred crystal for her own. With a cry of defiance, Barbie unleashed the full power of her magic, surrounding Morgana in a dazzling display of light and color. The sorceress recoiled in terror, her dark intentions thwarted by the pure-hearted princess and her unwavering resolve. In the end, it was not brute strength or cunning that prevailed, but the indomitable spirit of love and friendship that triumphed over darkness. With the help of her friends and the guidance of the fairies, Barbie emerged victorious, securing the sacred crystal and restoring peace to the kingdom once more. And so, Princess Barbie returned to Evergreen, her heart aglow with pride and gratitude for all she had accomplished. Though her journey had been perilous, it had also been filled with wonder and adventure, teaching her valuable lessons about courage, compassion, and the power of light to overcome even the darkest of shadows. From that day forth, Barbie ruled over Evergreen with wisdom and grace, using her magical gifts to bring joy and prosperity to all who dwelled within her kingdom. And though her adventures may have come to an end, her legend would live on for generations to come, inspiring countless others to believe in the magic that lies within us all.